Hi everyone, I'm here with an unboxing and play demonstration of Lovevery's Play Kit. Today we're opening up the Free Spirit Play Kit designed for ages 34 to 36 months. As usual, this play kit is chock full of fun and engaging toys that help your little one develop so many different skills. Since I'm a pediatric speech and language pathologist, I'll be demonstrating some ways you can facilitate language development at this age using what's in the kit. Just as an overview, at this age we're expecting longer utterances, a greater variety of vocabulary words, working on telling some simple stories or retelling past events, and answering a variety of questions, including WH questions, yes-no questions, and this-that type of questions. All right. Build it up. We're going to put big rocks on the bottom and the littler ones on top. There you go. But those two, are those big or small? Lena, is that big or small?
Big.
It's pretty big. Whoa! Oh no! They balance best when you put it on the flat surface. You want to try again?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, you put it on the flat surface. Look at that! You balanced all the big rocks on the littlest rock. That was hard to do. Oh, crash, crash, crash. Do you want to play a different one?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do a different one. This one.
I like it.
What?
I like it.
You like that? Oh, it's fun, isn't it? So in this toy, we've got some different cards, and they're all numerical cards going from 1 to 10. Lena can choose one. Hey, Lena, which number do you want? You want that one? Okay. Can Mama show you?
Yeah.
This one is 8.
8.
8.
8.
中文叫8. Here, let's put it on. The peg goes in the hole, and we can count. You can count 1. You count 2. 2. What's after 2? You can say 3.
3.
And then
4.
4
And 5.
and 5.
And 6.
Good job. 6. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You went back and counted the same one, but if Mama's gonna hold a finger here, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8. How many are there? There are 8 total. 8. Oh, there you go. And by pulling the lever to the side of the box, you are going to pull the platform away and the little pegs drop down. Look, they fell down.
4.
Fell off, you're right.
All done.
All done? Do you want to try one more?
All done.
All done. Okay, that's fine. Then can you give Mama the plate?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Mama's going to take this. And
I like that.
you like that. This next activity is a wooden puzzle activity where each of the shapes come with 2 pieces. It's a bit of a challenge if you dump all of the shapes out at once, but we'll see if we can figure it out. So, Lena, can Mama flip over?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna flip over. Do you want to help, Mama? Whoa, that's a lot of pieces. 这个应该放在哪一个形状上？ And you can give choices. So I asked her which shape does that go on, and I'm gonna give her a 2-choice question since she doesn't know an answer to the open-ended question. Okay, yep. And Lena's saying I don't know in Chinese. 不知道。小宝，那块是圆圈还是三角形？I asked her if it's circle or triangle, and she said triangle. So you got it. 好，小宝，我们再找更多。We're gonna find more. That one? Okay. 你可以试试看. You can try.
No.
Is it on the top of the triangle or the bottom of the triangle? What do you think?
Yes.
Oh, in the square? Does that work?
No.
Where else can it go? Do you think it's the bottom of the square or bottom of the triangle?
Triangle.
Did
No.
that work? I think it did. Try again. Put it in.
Yeah.
It worked. Hey, you found the match.
Yes.
You finished the triangle. All done. So let me show a modified way of helping a little one. You can go ahead and pull away all the pieces for a different shape and just focus on one shape. So I would start with a circle since that's there are more distinguished differences in the circle than the other shapes. So Lena, let's try these. And I may put these so that they are almost formed, and Lena would be able to see that the two shapes go together. 那是哪一个形状？是三角形还是圆圈？Yeah. Triangle or circle? It's a circle. Do you want to make the last circle?
Yeah.
Hey, you did it! You did it! Look! How many circles did you make, Lena? Can you count the circles?
1, 2, 3.
3 circles. That's a tricky one. Hey, you did the square. By this age, little ones are usually more reliable with answering yes/no questions. You may hear them parrot it themselves, saying yes or no as they work through an activity.
No.
You can also work on asking a variety of WH questions, like who, what, when, where, and a variety of this, that type of questions, like is it this or that? Is it circle or triangle?
Triangle.
Oh, triangle?
Yeah.
You're holding triangle pieces, aren't you? Let's see. Yep. Can you put this in the triangle piece?
Yeah.
You can put that in.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
You got it. Nice figuring it out. What can we do to fix that problem?
Yeah. No.
You tried. Let's think of a different way to fix that problem.
Yeah.
Lena, this goes here. Yeah, you just needed to turn around the piece. All right, you only have 2 more to go. Where does it go?
都不知道。
哦，你不知道啊 You don't know? 你需要帮忙吗 Okay, you need some help. Thanks for telling me you need help. Mama can help. Can I see your piece?
我抽的。
Mama helps you put in? Oh, okay, I'll give you hints. Look, this one is smooth and this is bumpy. Which one has a smooth edge and which has a bumpy edge? This looks like a bumpy edge, Lena. Can you put bumpy with bumpy? Turn it around. Turn more. You might flip it. Can Mama show you flip? 1, 2, 3, flip. That's a bumpy edge. You did it. Can you figure out the last piece? Oh, wow.
Yay.
Yay. What happened, Lena? Can you tell me?
Okay.
Uh-huh. You can say, I'm all done.
Done.
I'm all done with the puzzle.
I love the puzzle.
You're all done puzzle. Okay, sounds good. Let's clean it up.
I want that.
You want the camper van?
Yeah.
Okay, Mama will get it. Yeah, look, we have 4 people and they have a sleeping bag for each person. Watch. He says, I love yellow. I'm going in the yellow sleeping bag. Oh, time to sleep. Shh. He says, I love blue. I'm going in the, in the blue sleeping bag. This is a,
找不到。
oh, 你需要帮忙吗? You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you ask for help?
Can you help?
Oh, can I help? Yes, I will help. Thank you for asking so nicely. Look, I'm going to put his bottom in first and then push him in. There you go. Shh. They are sleeping. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good spot for him. He loves green.
This I green.
他爱绿色。
这是红色。
它是红色，你帮忙绿色的睡好，好吗？
Yeah.
So Lena's English development isn't quite where her same age peers would be. Shh. Because we actually have minimal exposure to English at home.
Help.
Help? Do you want Mama to help?
我要 help.
你要 help, okay. She said, I want help in Chinese. All right, Mama 帮忙. I'm trying to prompt her with sentences, short sentences in English, and teaching her vocabulary that she has a lot of vocabulary gaps between Chinese and English right now. We just started her at a English daycare, and she's picking up words from the daycare. 他睡完了. He's done with sleeping. 他也 all done 了. So I'm going to use some temporal words, like after they finish sleeping, they wake up.
Wake up.
这
太有点气。
你可以让他们进去车车吗? Oh, Lena's looking at the little tent I have. They want to go in the tent. All right, Lena, that sounds good. Ooh, how fun. They're playing in the tent.
Close.
Close the tent? Yeah, there are flaps for the door. Oh, shh. We need to be quiet.
该睡完了。
Oh, 睡完了. We finished sleeping. There's something cool with the top. You can even open it.
Hope.
Help. Yep, you gotta push this little button. Push and pull up. Wow! That's a cool hideout. This activity is great for storytelling.
Elder.
It's great for talking about sequence of events and using temporal concepts and prompting your little one to say, to use temporal concepts too. Yes, this is sloth. So words like before, after, next, in the morning, in the afternoon, at night. You love sloth? That's great. Instead of saying sleeping, which is a vocabulary word that your child may be very familiar with already, you may use synonyms like they're dozing, they are snoozing in the sleeping bag. All right. This one is so much fun. It's about matching the cars by shape or by color. Let's talk about the words same
Shape.
and different.
Different.
Circle. Is this the same or different shape?
Different.
It's different. You're right. Can you put it to the side? All right, Mama's going to give you some shapes. Oops. Sorry. Put with the star. Find the same shape. Square. Find the pentagon, Lena. Find the triangle stack.
Right? Here.
Find the star pile.
Here.
Can you find where the circle goes?
Circle. Oval.
You want an oval, I know. What do you want next? Do you want square or pentagon?
Pentagon.
Okay, take the pentagon. Yeah. Can you show me where the triangles are?
Triangle.
Can you show me where the triangles are? Good, answering a where question. We sorted 5 different types of shapes.
Elder.
All right, we're going to be all done. Can you help Mama clean up?